To change your region on the Lyft Driver app, follow these steps. 1. Open the Lyft Driver app on your mobile device. 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile picture or menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. Select Settings from the list. 3. Contact Lyft Support. Scroll down and select Help or Support. Look for an option like Account and App Issues or Change Driving Region. 4. Request Region Change. In the Help section, search for Changing Driving Region or submit a support request to change your region. Provide details about your new location and why you're requesting the change. 5. Wait for approval. Lyft Support will review your request. They may ask for additional documentation, like proof of address, depending on the region. 6. Restart the app. Once approved, log out and log back into the app. This should reflect the new region. It's important to note that Lyft may have specific driver requirements that vary by region, so you might need to update certain documents or meet new criteria depending on where you move.